The video file got corrupted while it was being transferred. I apologize for the poor quality, but y'all deserve a video nevertheless.
Yo, YouTube, back in the place. Part 4. I which episode today? Episode 4. I never remember how we there, you know. But we're there, you know, back in a May pen. It's our last day in a May pen. We are going after this. We hope to give it a 5 grand. Yeah. We hope to give it 10 grand. All 15 grand more and give it in our place. People them just need to get it right. Right now we are looking for victim them. 1 TK the back of the camera. Follow him on the Instagram, see it over here. So I eat that over there, so no. I eat that. Follow him on TikTok, see TikTok over here, so. Mad. Watch you know. We start the video now, you know. We jump straight tonight. You want to try? Aye. Them no want to try. Forward, take a walk with me. So 5,000 up on the line. Watch your style.
So you know you don't have no money.
Damn.
Alright, so we're there with the brightest fitting them in a May pen right now. We just wanted to introduce yourself.
My name is Chrisani.
My name is Akim.
We now shout out TikTok or you good?
Not a TikTok.
Kim Turu.
My name is Lee. Follow me on Gram at Lee Muskama.
My name is Tiny.
Joshua.
Why I see that underscore JJ on the gram. Search me.
Oh! Somebody! Oh!
He needs some milk.
Akim.
Sakara.
Boom boom, one boom boom.
Ready? We want to introduce yourself. Shout out the gram.
One sinner on Insta. Scholar school, man.
No say phone not active right now, bro, to be honest.
Jaja.
J.
Jada.
Alright, she don't have no name. Okay. Competing to win $5,000. 3 simple questions. First question. What goes up but never comes down?
Elevator.
And what goes up and never come down?
Elevator. That's serious?
What goes up and never comes down?
Age.
You can't sure no? You sure? Alright, one that it is.
Your age.
Age.
Your age.
Age?
Age. Age.
Your age.
Oh, hold on.
I would say elevator.
Oh, no, get me mixed up.
The second question. What disappears as soon as you say it?
Words.
Words?
Yeah.
So words disappear as you say it?
You say it and it be gone.
But we are say it right now and we hear the words them same, right?
You hear it,
But it not disappear.
I know that one, yeah.
You sure?
They say, what disappear as soon as they say it?
Yeah.
Words.
Who?
What disappears as soon as I said? As soon as I said it disappeared.
Yeah. What disappears as soon as you say it?
Disappear.
What?
What?
What disappears as soon as you say it?
Money.
No.
What disappears as soon as you say it?
Words.
Shut up your mouth, man.
What disappears as soon as you say it?
As soon as I say
Words.
words.
Words. Positive. That wrong, you know.
Alright, watch out though. What disappear as soon as you say it?
Yeah.
Thoughts.
Thoughts?
Word.
Sure? 5,000 up on the line, you know. Listen again. What disappears as soon as you say it?
But I know that one, I asked my different one.
Say question again.
What disappears as soon as you say it?
As soon as we say it.
Oxygen.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait. First of all, you're not gonna speed past that like you didn't just say what you just said.
Ah, wait. Let me think about it. As soon as we say it disappear. The word in my mind.
Something alright. Something alright, yeah.
What disappear after me say it?
Yeah.
Words. No. We don't know that one. Skip that one.
Skip.
Yeah. What disappear as soon as?
Yeah, as soon as you say it. Wait a second. Words? No, that wrong.
Hold on.
What I say? Let me see the feel of that.
Hold on. Yo, stop it.
Oh, sorry.
Stop it, man. Alright, hold on. Come on, man.
What you say, Michi?
You know, say words look well.
A words me here too on the say now. What you say?
I may have
Hold
followed
on.
right this.
Yeah, words.
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 What you say?
I work with my team.
You work with the team.
Words.
You work with the team.
Words.
What want to say team wrong?
But think about. Hold on.
What time ago?
Yo, we could come back to that question. Can I come back to that question?
You want to come back to it? Alright.
What disappear as soon as I say it?
Yeah.
Brother, the answer in that question, though.
Or the question, not the answer.
Really, nigga?
Hey, y'all, come look at this.
What you say?
We're here, man.
Here?
You can't say here.
May I go to one more chance?
What disappear as I say it?
What disappear as soon as you say it?
Disappear.
The word in your mind?
Yeah, it disappear. I'm about to say it.
Boy, if you don't.
What disappear as soon as I say it?
Yeah.
The one day oppose me. The one day oppose me. And they oppose me for two.
Wait, say you don't know that one day?
No, the one day.
Yo.
That's a dopey that.
Yeah, trouble there, you boy.
Yeah, brother, no. You know, saying in real life, I disappear, though.
Silence. As soon as I say silence, the place is silent again. So silence disappear. What disappears as soon as you say it?
Silence.
Can you repeat the question?
What disappears as soon as you say it?
Silence. Silence.
Okay. Silence.
That's it?
Yeah,
That's
sure.
him alone answer? Alright.
Sure.
Alright.
We give up.
You give up? The answer is silence. But last one. If a red man living at the red house and the blue man living at the blue house, who living at the white house?
White man.
If the red man living at a red house, the blue man living at a blue house, who living at the white house?
My white man. Who?
If a red man living at a red house and a blue man living at a blue house, who living at the white house?
White man.
Alright. If the red man living at a red house, blue man living at a blue house, who living at the white house?
White man.
White man.
Jesus. God.
What you say? White man?
Repeat that.
What you say? Who?
Repeat that.
If the blue man living at the blue house, the red man living at the red house, who living at the white house?
Who?
Who?
Yeah.
You sure?
That wrong enough.
That wrong.
A white man.
Where's the white man? What you say?
Anything in song.
That wrong too. Listen again. If the red man live in a red house, the blue man live in a blue house, who live in the white house?
There's no white house. You don't mention no white house. Nobody lives in a white house.
What you say?
Just tell me.
White man.
White man.
White man. White man, dog. White.
The white man.
No white man.
The white man.
God, please, no! 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 No!
I mean,
Shut your lame ass up, nigga.
I guess it's so easy. Who only said that?
Alright, the black man live in a white house.
You live in a white house.
the white house me live in a brother.
We don't care. Let me tell you. We don't care.
I must, cause how much black man me no live in a white house?
Yo, one more chance, bro. Red man live in a red house. Blue man live in a blue house. Who live in the white house?
Oh! Oh! Jump! 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 Jump, man! Jump! Red man in a red house, blue man in a blue house. Who live in a white house? The president. Me tough dog.
Mad.
Donald Trump. President of America.
Repeat the one. Repeat the one.
If the red man live in a red house, blue man live in a blue house, who live in the white house?
Live in a white house. Jump. Jump.
You laugh to talk about it, right?
Jump.
The president. Actually, that.
Yeah, we come back to it.
No, actually,
Y'all win.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah,
So,
one.
pack up your money.
You can spell, right? You can spell?
Yeah, me can spell.
Alright, more you spell the word candy, only using 2 letters.
What?
More you spell the word candy, only using 2 letters.
That odd. Candy, no, yet there. See why?
See why? That's your final answer?
Yeah,
See why? Are your final answer?
yeah,
You sure?
yeah.
You not say that because the crowd says so.
No.
They must set you up, you know.
I see why I say.
See why? You sure?
Yeah.
Well, that wrong. The answer is C and Y.
But not basically the same thing.
No. Oh, you spell the word and.
ND.
Put C in front of it
Oh.
and put Y. Okay. We just get a winner. We just get a winner. 15 grand them gone with. Them broke me. Them broke me. Me pen broke me. Me now come back and me pen. Which one we are go next? TK, where we are go next? Paintown? Where we are go? Kingston? Wallava? Anyway, you say, bro. Right now, we don't have no more money. I walk me for walk go me hard. The 3 youth them, Jano, Jesus Christ. We never know what to say. Anyways, but that was me a pen. More want to know, like, subscribe, share up the video them. Thanks to all I love for me I receive. Me now come back and me a pen. Me now come back and me a pen. Wallava we are go next. So Wallava, look out. Make sure you're ready for win $5,000. Cause me a pen just take 15 grand from me. 3 little pitney just take 15 grand from me. Make sure you're ready. Look out.